Okay, so I am going to go through the whole process of what it's like melting one of these hard tea bombs. Okay, so first you're going to get your cup and get some hot water in it. You want to make sure that your water is piping hot for this, because the colder if the water is lukewarm, it's going to take the bombs a much longer time to melt, and you do not want to have cold tea. That is no fun. Okay, you need about 5 minutes on these to get them right where you want them to be. Okay, so you're just going to place your bomb inside your glass and just watch it melt away. That's all you got to, just watch it. You don't have to stir anything, just watch it. If you try to stir, the sugar is going to stick to the side of the glass and kind of make it hard for it to come off. And I did speed up this video a lot of bit. I would love to say a little bit, but it was actually a lot of it. Because, I mean, it's fun to sit down and watch it when you're trying to relax, melt, but not when you're trying to record. It really is not fun to watch when you're trying to record. And like I said, it takes about 5 minutes to get to like a nice, beautiful, melted color. And by the time it melts, the tea will be hot enough, just like the right temperature to drink. And I can honestly say it's actually one of the most relaxing things to do. So make sure you take a shower. You know, if you do bubble baths, take a bubble bath. You know, you want to do this in the evenings after you're done with the kids. You kind of like got everybody into bed. You just want to chill, you know, watch a movie. Probably Netflix, you know, if you're like me, because I'm not a news person. I want to relax. You know, make sure you find something really relaxing. You make yourself a cup of tea. The flavor of this tea is actually Paris, and I will say it tastes great. It was not my favorite out of my haul that I did, but it actually does taste good. It really does. I actually like the peach. I forgot what kind of peach it was. Sorry, like passion fruit. That's what I like. I like the passion fruit, and I definitely loved the chocolate mint, but I can't really do caffeine. But if you can, I say hop on over to my shop and get you some. So look at the sparkle on this tea. I want you guys to really see the sparkle on this tea. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, hop on over to my shop and place your order on Etsy. Right now, I have the Valentine's Day teas on my store, and you definitely want to try the new flavors that I have out there. They're wonderful. Please hop on over to my store.